말 많은 친구. 하지만 지금 즐겁게 그 무량기 수목원 본인 집 근처에서 즐겁게 산책하고 있습니다.
You need to translate in English because somebody watch you in they don't know how to speak Korean. So sometimes when you explain it Korean, maybe after Korean you explain it in English also. So someone who can saw your video, they understand what you say.
I can add up voice over in English.
Okay, this is botanical garden and Asan Sea, so we can go here and enjoy lakad-lakad, walking.
Wow, I found the
Wow,